Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to science class again in the chapter 12, that is soil and its conservation. This is the second part of the same chapter, and in this video we are going to read about the soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The soil does not remain stationary, it is always moving, and the topsoil is loose and is exposed to forces of wind, rain, and water, and is carried away from one place to another. The process of carrying away of the topsoil by natural forces is called soil erosion, and this damage and wears out the soil. It greatly affects the production of crops, and it is very serious problem. Now let's learn about the causes of soil erosion. There are the various factors responsible for the soil erosion like water, wind, and human activities. It can cause more erosion when we cut down the trees, when it rains heavily, when the strong wind blow, and when the faulty methods of crop growing are practiced. Now let's learn about the conservation of soil. Soil conservation is the prevention of soil erosion by planting the trees and grasses. In this way, by planting the trees and grasses, we can prevent our soil from getting eroded. Plants bind the soil firmly with their roots and it cannot be blown away by wind or water. Dams should also be constructed across the river to stop the floods, and soil is a very valuable natural resources and must be conserved. Now, what are the importance of soil? How the soil is so important? Soil is necessary for the growth of a plant, and without the soil there would be no plant, and without plant there would be no life, because directly or indirectly our life is totally dependent on the plants. We people, human beings and animals are dependent on the plants for our survival, and plants get minerals and water and air from the soil. Soil is a storehouse of many minerals which are used in industries. It is used in the constructions of the dams, buildings, roads, etc. It is used as a raw material for making bricks, for making potteries, etc. And it is a natural habitat for various organisms too. Rainwater sweeps through the soil and get collected. It accumulates above the bedrock and which becomes a source of underground water. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.